Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhuluma with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Igama lami ngiMprudence Sibonga Kangomane. Bishop Mpendulo Nkambule le kwindoda eyadelete uZanele Mbokazi. People are actually applauding for this man, guys. They are saying, what a man, Nkosi yami. We've seen this man praying for his wife, emasondweni gqwele bantu kunemabandla preaching for kokuthi umfati wakhe aphile aphole. I remember there was a video where he was saying ukuthi cancer will not win, she will live, she will survive. Guys, this man is amazing. Ukubona ube nemuntu, guys, umuntu lokuthanza ngisho kumatima, umuntu lokuthanza ngisho ukugula, umuntu lo wema phambi kwebafundisi, phambi kwebantu, phambi kwelibandla, washo amavawusi wakhe, waphinze lapho wawamela amavawusi wakhe makathi in sickness and in health. Kesana, we've seen this man preaching and praying for his wife, and Mzansi is just saying ukuthi we upload this man. Lami madoda bheka ngabaleka, lami madoda bheka ngikaza kunika support, because we've seen bantu bagula madoda abaleka, but with this man Mzansi uyasho nje ukuthi ayiqha invota emadvoteni and bayambonga, bayamthanda, and they are saying ukuthi bamthandazela nje ukuthi aphole banaye nakulesi sikhathi lesimatima, but bayasho ukuthi hayi Pastor Nkambule awinvote emadvoteni. Please subscribe, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.